Alright, so let's talk about CFX, the company that supposedly does trading, although there's very little evidence of it. So, first and foremost, let me ask you a question. So, you have invested in CFX. Now, let me ask you, if you could get similar or better results in terms of your investment, but your funds were safe and secure with you instead of some platform that could be gone tomorrow, would you have rather done that? Let me explain. So when I started my journey in online marketing and finding opportunities online, I came across a lot of these opportunities where you put your money inside of their back office and you just have to pray that the website is there the next day, and that all the people that you refer to the platform don't get their money stolen, and they will run after you with pitchforks, right? That's how I started my journey. Since then, I've set some hard rules for myself. Before we go into that, let me talk to you about my experience with CFX. So I actually put in a little bit of money when it first got started. And I got all of it out again, even though there were some big withdrawal fees. And I know it's part of the compensation plan, etc., but it's still annoying, right? It took a long while, but I got all my money out. I got some profit. But during this time, it was not a smooth process. There were delays in payment. And this can happen at any time when you have your funds on someone else's platform. Right? If you are looking to have a consistent stream of income coming in every single month, or you're looking to transition into doing this full time, working online, you cannot have delays in payment. You can tell your landlord, you can tell your bank that I'm going to be late with my mortgage for a couple of months, or tell the electricity company, yeah, I'll pay you 2 months from now. That's when I will probably get paid. Doesn't work like that. Debts come in every single month, right? And you have to pay them on time. Otherwise, you have to pay more, right? So what we have here is a comparison between CFX, which supposedly does trading with very little evidence of it, and have your funds hostage in their platform. And we're now going to compare it to Eaconomy, which allows you to choose a Forex broker of your choice. You can have a regulated, licensed broker where you can withdraw your funds anytime you want. Right? The withdrawal process is, different from whatever broker you have, but if it's to a bank transfer, it's usually 1 to 3 days. There's no PAM account, there's no profit splits, there's no performance fee, there's no withdrawal fees. You get to keep 100% of all your profits and in its account separate from the company. Isn't that amazing? You know why? Because Eaconomy does trading for real. And because all of the users can connect to whichever Forex broker they want, they can also connect that broker to my FX book, which will then show people a track record of the results that they've been able to generate with the Forex trading bot and the Forex signals that Eaconomy has to offer. Even though past results are not indicative of future results, you can go back in time, almost as long as 3 years back in time, and see consistent profits inside people's own account where they have full access to it. And there will be no shady business with it, whatever, because you can choose a licensed and regulated broker that you feel comfortable with. And if you don't know which one to choose, I've given you a suggestion down in the description below that we are working with, that we're super happy with, that's been around for more than 10 years. They're just super awesome. So imagine this, all of your funds are with you at all times, right? No rug pulls, no scams, nothing can happen. Whatever happened to the website, right? Nothing happens to your funds. Isn't that amazing? This is the new way, because so many companies are wising up to this. So in the end, there will only be the scams, only be the money rotation, only be the Ponzi schemes that allows you where you need to keep your funds inside their back office, and then you have to lock it up for a period of time so you can't get it out, right? And they promise you some fixed returns, No, this is a thing of the past. Imagine this, a track record of 3 years back in time, consistent profits, right? With a very little drawdown, very little. And you get to keep the funds safe and secure inside your own account. And during this, almost 3 years, there's never been a losing month, which means that you can compound your funds, right? It can compound. And you don't have to worry about the website going away tomorrow. Whatever happens with the website doesn't matter. All your funds are safe and secure with you. And this is exactly what we have with Eaconomy. So if you like the idea of trading, if you like the idea of passive income, and if you like the idea of having your funds safe and secure with you, then Eaconomy would be the better choice. Check this out. Now you may ask me, okay, that's one thing, but hey, I want to build a business. I'm looking at CashFX, they have all these fancy prices. They have, watches, they have cars, they have holiday retreats, whatever, when you hit different ranks. Okay, cool. So the compensation plan with Eaconomy is a binary, right? It's not a unilevel. And it goes up to $1 million per month. And check this out. Remember before I told you, it's not a PAM, it's not a performance fee. There's no profit splits, nothing. So this is based on a subscription model, just like you would have your, physical products that people buy on Autoship every single month. Now, to access the Forex trading bot that trades inside your own account, to get access to all the signals that are absolutely killing it for people who wants to be more hands-on, you pay a monthly subscription. And the cool part is with Eaconomy, there's a 92% retention rate, meaning that people that get started with Eaconomy, they stick around. Why? Because the value that they get is more than the price they pay for it, right? So let's give you an example. The previous month of September 2022, the returns with a very low risk setting of Eaconomy's Aithena, the automated Forex trading robot, was 18%. Now, this is not normal, this is not typical. What we have seen over the course of these 3 years, that is more in 7 to 10%. Nothing is guaranteed whatsoever. I'm giving you a hypothetical example, okay? Nothing is guaranteed, right? So 18% inside your own account, right? And you get 100% access to all of the profits. Why? Because you pay a monthly subscription fee. And the binary compensation plan is also based on this subscription fee, right? So it's easy for you to predict your income. Because if you build a team and the team is just as big as it was last month, no new person is coming in, but no one has, dropped off either, you get the same paycheck because it's not based on new people joining. It's not based on, their depositing amount or how much they earn. None of that is based on a subscription model. And this really, sweeps the field when it comes to these online opportunities because you can build something long-term and sustainable. And because of this, we have people in our team who are going with 10, 20, 40, 50, 100,000, 100,000 plus. Why? Because we have the track record of success for almost 3 years. They can choose whichever broker they feel comfortable with, that is regulated, that is licensed. They're not going to run off with anybody's money. It doesn't happen, right? So if you like the idea of trading, you like the idea of passive income, you like the idea of having your funds safe and secure inside your own account, you like the idea maybe of building a team that is long-term, that is sustainable, and your income is not like this, but continuously go upward as long as you do the work, may I add, well, then Eaconomy is the better choice. And I put together this here presentation to show you exactly how it works. But for those of you who want to get started already, just click the link down in the description below and I will be in contact with you. Thank you very much and watch this video.
Are you fed up with companies and opportunities that are here today and gone tomorrow? Are you sick and tired of the scams, the Ponzi schemes, and rug pulls and want something that is transparent, that is long-term, that is sustainable, where you have your funds in your own control? then I have good news for you. You are in the right place to say goodbye to back office money and say hello to long-term income with Economy. So Economy launched September 2021. They're debt-free, they are privately owned, and they're leading experts in currency and trading innovation. They have their headquarters in Las Vegas currently, but they're moving that over to Dubai. The founder and CEO of Economy is Hassan Mahmoud. And he's a financial expert. He's done multiple 9 figures in global sales. He's spoken and trained in 62 different countries, has helped tens of thousands worldwide learn the power of passive income. He's a loving father, husband, and loves people. He's also been helping out many of the big MLM organizations to put together their compensation plan, etc., etc. He's very known within the industry and has been, on Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, CBS, MNCB, MSNBC, Entrepreneur, Fox News, etc., etc. So what are the products and services that Economy offer? The first and foremost is the Economy Calibrate Academy, where they have video trading academy, where you can learn Forex fundamentals. You can get coaching from successful traders. You get live weekly Q&A sessions, and they're available in English, Spanish, and Arabic. So you can have pre-recorded lessons where you can learn the fundamentals, but also live trading sessions where you can jump on with an educator and learn in real time. So here are 2 of the products that we are super excited about within Economy. One is the Eminence, which gives us trading signals. And at the end of this here presentation, I'm going to show you the results of these signals. And they are absolutely mind-boggling. Some weeks has been more than 3,500 pips. Right? So the way it works, you receive a phone alert, review the alert, and you can decide to take the trade. Currently, this is given to you via a Telegram group. Also, we have Manara, which is basically a harmonic scanner, which saves you a lot of time and which also analyzes the market to see when is a good time to go in and out. Another great product and service that we have is the DCA strategy for cryptocurrency. So instead of just, buying cryptocurrency at the current rate, you just blindly, here you will know that, okay, if you have X amount of money to invest, say 1,000, you should buy in $200 at this price, 200 here, 50 there, 100 there, etc., etc. So it gives you the best time to go in so you can have a long-term holding. And here we come to the flagship, and this is the flagship product of Economy that everyone is super, super, super excited about. And this is the automated trading robot, which trades for us in your own personal brokerage account, and you can choose whichever brokerage account you feel comfortable with. If you don't know which one to choose, I have made a recommendation down in the description below. There you will also find all the information for you to get started. So what it does, it scans and analyzes multiple currency pairs looking for the best market opportunities. 3 minutes to set up. It's really easy to set up. And then it's basically hands-off. So it's basically plug and play. They usually take 3 to 4 trades per day. And again, in the end of this video, I'm going to show you the results that people have had, and they're absolutely amazing. So make sure you watch the video to the absolute very end. And Aithena works best if you have a minimum of $1,000, but we have people in our own team that has gone in with 100,000 and more, just because we have a track record of success with Aithena for almost 3 years, which you're going to see in my FX book in the end of this video, but also because people feel really safe and secure because they get to have their funds safe and secure inside their own brokerage account. So Economy has no access to your funds. You just connect the broker to the bot, and then all trading happens inside your account, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. There is no profit sharing whatsoever. So that's really, really amazing. You will also get something called the coin zoom. If you decide to build a business with Economy and refer this to others, you will get paid out to something called CoinSum. So there's no back office money in Economy whatsoever. Your investments stay with your Forex broker, and your affiliate commissions gets paid out to CoinSum, right? And again, so Economy, once they've sent it over to CoinSum and they pay out weekly, they cannot touch it in any way, shape, or form. So it's absolutely amazing. Your funds, your investments is secure, and your income is secure here as well. No back office money whatsoever. And you can even get a CoinSum card to spend your crypto, and you can get up to 5% cash back on your purchases with this card. So the biggest question now we get to is, how can I get started? So there are two different packages, and the great thing that I like about this is the subscription model, right? And we are really, really well priced. There are so many other opportunities within the Forex and education space out there, and they charge way too much money. So what Economy wants to do, they want to give access to the everyday normal person, right? So that everyone can use these products and services. And even in Asia, in certain Asian countries and in African countries, they've even given a special discount. So they pay less than this. Why? Because they want everyone to be able to benefit from this here service. And I'm going to show you in just a second. I'm building the business, and because it's based on a subscription based model, oh my God, the possibilities. And I will show you exactly what I mean in just a few slides. But first, check this out. We have two packages. We have the Elite Pack and the Elite Pro Pack. So the Elite Pack is $149 the first month, and then $99 onwards. And the Elite Pack gives you access to the Forex Academy, where you have live training and also where you have pre-recorded sessions. You have the Eminence, which gives you amazing signals. We have the Manara, which scans the market for you and give you ideas when you can go in and when you should go out. You have the Hercules, which is the dollar cost average strategy for cryptocurrency. You have CoinSum, where you get paid out. So you can use this unlimitedly for $149 first month and $99 each month going forward. Now, for the Elite Pro Pack, has everything the Elite Pack has, but it also has Aithena, which is the automated trading robot. So if you like the idea of passively earning money on a weekly, daily, and monthly basis, then Aithena is something that you should look into. And of course, I am not guaranteeing any results in any way, shape, or form. Past results are not indicative of future results. There are no guarantees whatsoever. But what you will see in the end of this video is an almost 3-year track record of people using Aithena and consistently winning, right? So Sky is a VPS, right? So it's basically a computer away from home, which allows you to connect Aithena to your Forex broker and let it trade for you, even if you close your computer. So Sky, which is the VPS, is included in the price. And again, it takes 3 minutes to set up. You only need to do it once, and then it does everything for you, the automation Monday through Friday, right? So there's also an incentive for you to share this wonderful opportunity with your friends, as if you needed any, because the product in and of itself is so absolutely amazing. But if you refer 3 people to this here opportunity, your monthly subscription is waived. You do not have to pay anything, and you get to use all the products and services for free. Yeah. All right. Also, if you want to become a business builder, then you need an affiliate market kit, which is $29 the first month, and then $15 monthly. So what's happening here is that you have different ranks, and I'm going to quickly go through all of them, and then I'm going to share with you why this is so amazing, right? If you are a leader watching this, if you want long-term sustainable income, this is for you, and I'm going to prove it to you without a shadow of a doubt. So the first rank is the apprentice, where you will earn $100 and it's paid out weekly in $25 increments. So if you have 3 personally enrolled, customers using these here products and service, you will be earning $100 per month. So it's best to first get your free 1, 2, 3, get your free. But if you recruit more than 3 people, then it's better to then become an affiliate. But first have your first 3 people. You don't need to have the affiliate marketing kit, right? Next rank is the influencer 500, where you have 10 people on each side. And remember, this is a binary, so you will get spillover from the person above you. And when the people below you start building teams, that will also count towards your organization as long as they are active. And this goes down infinite levels. Okay, infinite levels on both sides. You can spill over for the person above you. Right, so if you have the 20 people, 10 on your left, 10 on your right, that are actively using the subscription. So look, guys, this is not determined on, their deposits. It's not determined on how much they make on a monthly basis, right? There's no matching bonus as to how much they earn, anything like that. This is based on active subscriptions. And what we have is we have a 92 to 94% retention rate with Economy. Why? Because the products and service is so good, and the value people get is much higher than the price they're paying for it, that people stick around. So all the good part about the physical products, right, where you get a monthly auto ship for those products, that we have implemented here. So no longer will your income go like this, because you can have one good month or one bad month. So check this out. Say that you have your team, you have 10 last month, but you don't recruit anyone new the next month, but nobody drops off either. You will still have the same paycheck as last month, because it's based on people actively using this. And it's absolutely mind-boggling. Again, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the results. I'm going to show you the verified results, the testimonials, everything. So you're going to have your mind blown. So be sure to watch that at the end of this video, right? So 10-10, you earn $500 per month. 20-20, right? 20 on your left, 20 on your right, $900 per month. 40-40. Now we're up to 1,500 per month with influencer 1,500. Prodigy 3K is 75 on each side is 3,500. What you see is that there have middle steps, so there's not huge jumps between the ranks, and that's absolutely amazing. So check this out, only by referring 3 people, right, building an organization, getting spillover, helping them, plugging them in, sharing the opportunity, helping them to present the business to their friends and their family, and so on and so forth, you can earn an extra $3,000 per month. I mean, it's absolutely mind-boggling. Like, I love this, and it will be consistently coming in. It's not based on what the deposits were, because there's no back office money. Any opportunity which has back office money is 99.9% a scam, right? Anything that offers you fixed returns, it's not compliant. You cannot promise anyone fixed returns. We're not allowed here. I can show you past results. I cannot guarantee anything in the future, because that's not how the way it works. So 99.9% of the time, whenever you put your money into something, boom, it's a scam. If they promise you a fixed return, boom, it's a scam. Here, it's not possible, right? Because they don't take the new people's money and pay out the other people. No, it doesn't work like that. There's no back office money, right? People are in economy because they want to be in economy. Why? Because they get value for the products and services, right? This is subscription based. If they have crappy products, people would not subscribe anymore, and economy would go out of business. Why? Because people's funds are not held hostage. Usually in these scam platforms, they lock your money up. Why do they do that? Because they're gonna run away with it. They won't want you to take it out. Here, we don't have that problem. You can choose whichever Forex broker that you feel comfortable, that is regulated, that is compliant. right? And you can keep your funds with them. And again, if you don't know which Forex broker to choose, check out the one that I recommend in the description down below. That's the one we've been working with for a very long time. It's regulated, it has all the paperwork done. Amazing, amazing, amazing service, been around since 2009, right? So take this. This here, you don't see it, but this compensation plan actually goes all the way down to $1 million per month, right? So next one, Prodigy 5K, 200, 200 for personally enrolled, Icon 9, 375, 375. You get 2,250 per week. And also when you hit this rank, you'll get a one-time bonus of $6,000, guys. Woo! Icon 15, 500, 500, right? Here you will get 15,000, right? A one-time reward of 15,000 when you hit this rank. So when you hit Icon 15, you'll earn 30K, right? Because you get the once of 15,000 and then 15,000 every month going forward. Right, Icon 25, same. You get 25,000 and then 25,000 every month after. Icon 50, you get 50K reward and then 50K every month afterward. Mogul 75, you get 75,000 and then 75 every month continuously. And then 100K, you get a 100K bonus and then 100,000 every month after that. And this is paid out in crypto to CoinZoom, where you can have your own private account there, and you can connect your card, you can withdraw it to wherever you want. So this is absolutely amazing. This is going to stay around for a long time because you don't have any of the problems with the other platforms. Your funds are not held hostage. They have a product and service with a 3-year track record, which you're going to see in the end of this video, and it's based on active customers using, loving the service. And then you will have a predictable long-term income. And I don't know about you, but I like the sound of that. Actually, this was everything. So I want to thank each and everyone who take a look at this here presentation. I'm super excited about that. And now we're going to take a deep dive and take a look at the testimonials and the results of the signals and of the automation trading software that's called Aithena that Eaconomy has to offer. So check this out. Hey everyone, and welcome to this Economy presentation. We're going to take a look at some testimonials and some results, both from the Aithena, the automatic software, and from the amazing signals that Economy also has. So let's jump into it. The great thing about the Economy is that you get to keep your funds safe and secure in the broker of your choice. And what happens is that we have now hundreds and even thousands of the different members in Economy. They have connected to something called My FX Book. And if you see these two ticks here, track record verified and trading privileges verified, then we can know that these results are accurate, right? So there's no messing about with Economy in any way, shape, or form. There is 100% complete transparency where every single user can show you their independent results inside their own broker. And guess what? 100% of the profits is theirs to keep. There's no performance fee whatsoever. All they have to do is pay a flat subscription fee of $150, and they can enjoy these amazing results. And before we go further, let me just tell you this. Past results are not indicative of future results, and there's always risks when it comes to trading. So there, I've said it. Let's jump into some of the results. So in this first account, this is actually a rather big account. It's about 100K account, someone in our team that recently got started with Aithena, and they are absolutely loving it. And as you can see, for the month, they made almost 11% even, 11%. And if we go down, we can see that, okay, August, 6% started it in the end of August, and now September, 11% already. So this is amazing, amazing, amazing. This person is absolutely loving it. And we can see as well that the drawdown has not been very big. You see 0.57%, 0.62% or 0.62%. They're very, very small drawdowns, which is amazing. There's no gambling, so to speak, taking place here. If we take the look at the next one, you will see that the gain is here 350, almost 58%. So they have done this for a longer time period. Here you can also see that the results go back to 2020, but you can see there's been really consistent, and I think it's the scale factor 2 they're using here. So they are getting an average of about 10%. And remember, these are trades happening inside your own personal account. You get to keep all the profits, and they just have to pay the 149 per month. And if you're interested in more information, if you want to join the team, just feel free to click the link down below in the description, and you'll get more information on that. So this is absolutely amazing. 2022 also trading very consistent results as well. And in 2020, they were just getting started, November, December. So Economy has already been around for a while, for a couple of years, 3 years now. And they will continue to be there for many, many, many years to come. And the reason for that is because there's no back office money, right? They have a working product. As you can see, without a shadow of a doubt, you have many independent people, right? You'll see both here from the Aithena, but also in the signals, which I'm going to show you after the Aithena. You'll see that the results are absolutely amazing, and that is why Economy has a 92 to 94% retention rate as well. Here's yet another account with Aithena. We take a look, and let's see what's happening here. 88% gain, very impressive. See, especially if you look at the landscape today, like, of course, there's risk with everything, but in the current market, there's a risk leaving your funds in your own bank account as well due to inflation. It's just losing its money. So in my mind, okay, if I can put some of my money offset for investments, not rent money, obviously, but if I can move that to a broker, have it sitting in a broker account with a regulated, trusted broker that has been around forever, right? And have it sitting in an account there, and it's generating a cash flow for me, of course, I would do so, right? You will see here really amazing as well, the growth. Look at this for the month, almost 12%. And the great part is there's like automatic compounding, because when you start earning more, you will also, the lot sizes for the next trades get bigger. So the more profit you make, the more you will then trade with the next time around as well, right? So there's an automated compound aspect to Aithena as well, which means you can basically set it and forget it, right? And it will take care of everything, which is pretty awesome. And if we go to the next one, check this out. So this is pretty impressive. You can see here is 172% gains, which is amazing. There is $13,000 profit, which is really nice if you ask me. If you go down, you can see a lot of awesome things. All right, it's coming around. But the most important things, oh, here it comes. Here it comes. We have some crazy months here, but it's been an average of around 10% on average, right? Which is really, really, really nice. Having 10% compounded per month. Woo! And then some of you are asking, how is that even possible? Because if you spend some time with a compound calculator, you will quickly realize that if you make that per month, your funds will quickly grow to really big sums. But the fact is, this is Forex, and this is like 11 trillion or something crazy like that being traded on a daily basis. I mean, it's huge Forex market. So you getting a few millions out of the Forex market is like taking a bucket of water from the ocean. Like it won't even make a dent, which is really, really, really amazing that we have a software here and they have made it available for everyday normal people, right? That maybe don't want to spend hours and hours and hours and hours learning about trading, learning, graphs, resistance, support lines, all of that stuff. I know I don't want to. But if this is a legitimate thing and we have a track record of its success, then I'll be happy to use it and share it with people as well, right? So this is amazing, amazing stuff. Let's go to the next one. As you see, all settings are verified. You might all trades are verified. And why you might ask yourself, why do the different incomes vary from person to person? Well, that's because there's different risk settings that you can choose, and they are trading with different amounts of capital. It will make a difference. So for instance, if we get started with Aithena, is a minimum required, not required, but a minimum suggested amount of $1,000, because it just simply works better the more funds you have. We have many people on the team. The first guy I showed you, he has gone in with 100K, 100,000. We have also people who got in with 10, 20, 40, 50K. And when they see these results, month after month, they tend to, put in more and more and more and more money, right? Because it's doing what it's supposed to do. They have their funds safely secure in their own account, and they are tired of scams. They're tired of rug pulls. They really want something that is actually genuine, that's actually long-term, that's actually passive. And that is exactly what we have here with Eaconomy. So let's take a look at the last one before we take a look at the results of the different signals, which is absolutely amazing. Some weeks there's been more than 3,500 pips. So we're going to take a look at that. And you guys, you can do this simultaneously, right? You can have the bot doing its thing on automation and at the same time do the different trade ideas from the trade signals. You can jump on live trading sessions with the educators, right? And do trades and learn how to do it yourself as well. Wow, the growth. We have just started out here, 12% for the year. That's pretty awesome. 12% for September so far. Really nice. Really nice. All right. So this is the benefit, right? There is no shady back office money, right? The economy does not know the trading amount you have. This full and complete transparency due to the track record verification and trading privileges verification on my FX book, right? So it's all out in the open. It's 100% transparent and every user can connect to this, right? So it doesn't get better than this. Something that's reliable long-term, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. 100%. Say that you are trading with 100K, right? And you make 10% for the month. Well, that would be $10,000 worth of profit, and you get to keep all of it. All you have to pay is the monthly fee of $149, and you can keep the rest, right? It's not a performance fee where if there's been a performance fee of 20%, then it would cost you $2,000 per month, and that would be steep. Now you only have to pay $149 and you get access to all of it. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to take a look at the signals as well. Because if you loved Aithena, you are going to be super excited about the different signals as well. So here comes that review. Let's start off with indices. This is from August 7th to August 14th. So these are weekly results. So I have for a couple of weeks here that I want to share with you guys. And so you can get a feel for what to expect. Even though past results are not indicative of future results, you get a feel for what it could look like, so to speak. All right, so if we start over here with indices, we will see that the 100% win rate, four wins, 645 pips, points in profit. This is awesome. For the RFX, there's a win ratio of 95%, really, really good. 38 wins, 2 losses, 2 break even. Marathon record RFX, 92.5% win ratio, 3 losses, 37 wins and 1 break even. Weekly Forex results from the August 7th to August 13th between all of them. So that's 1,359 pips. And I know traders, I have personal friends who are traders, and they are paying insane amount of money, right? There's some guy, bought a Telegram, access to a Telegram group that gave signals for half a Bitcoin, 0.5 Bitcoin. They bought in, and now you with Economy for a monthly fee of $99, you get to keep all the profits yourself. You just pay a flat fee of $99 and you get all of these trade ideas sent to you that you can take action on. It's absolutely mind-boggling. So next week also 1,300 in that range, really, really good. And if you take a look at indices, this is the August 14th, August 21, 100% the win rate, 970 pips. RFX August 14th to August 21, 9 losses, 44 wins, 2 break even for an 83% win ratio. Weekly Forex results, you will see that's 105 pips for the MNS, for the Nepal, which is really awesome. Another week here, August 22 to August 27, 1,685 pips with a 73.12% win rate. And this is between all of them. So this is really awesome. We have for the MNS Nepal, and that's 200 pips for them. August 22 to August 27, just for the RFX, we have a 76.79% win ratio, 43 wins and 13 losses. We have indices, also 100% win rate, 970 pips, 69 pips. And August 29 to September the 1st, there's 896 pips for 87.83% win ratio. RFX, 81 wins and 10 losses, making it 89% win ratio. Indices, 6 wins, 100% win rate, 1,490 pips. And indices here, the 4th to the 10th of September, is 100% win rate with 7 wins and 1,950 pips. And if you look at September, for the 4th of September to the 10th of September, there's 11 losses, 61 wins with RFX, 84.72% win ratio. Weekly results, September the 4th to December 10, all in all, there's 1,019 pips with an 81% win ratio. And for the same time, just for the MNS Nepal, there's 155 pips. Stock options, we have 10 wins, 0 losses, 48 points, 100% win ratio. And that is the conclusion here as well. So even though past results are not indicative of future results, like if you took action on this, I'm not saying that it will happen, I'm not saying it's a guarantee, but we can look at previous results. If you had taken action on these here trade ideas, you could have doubled your account easily, right? You could have. So And imagine being able to keep 100% of your profits, all of these pips, just a flat fee of $99. And we have a track record where you can see that where week after week, month after month, it's delivering the goods. So I just wanted to share this short video with you and show you how really amazing the trade signals with Economy is. And if you're interested in getting started with us, joining with me and my team, and other 6 and 7 figure earners in the industry that we're working with, just fill in the link down in the description below and we will help you set everything up. Thank you very much. My name is Marcus. Bye-bye.